Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Audible membership. If you're using the Audible desktop site, start by selecting your username in the top navigation, then go to Account Details. Click on the Cancel Membership link and follow the prompts selecting Continue to cancel until you reach the confirmation page. You'll receive an email confirmation and your membership status will update on your account details page. If you're using the mobile web, open the main menu, select your account, and choose Cancel Membership. You'll also receive an email confirmation and your membership status will reflect the change. If you signed up through Amazon, sign into your Amazon account, select Hello Your Name, Account and Lists, go to Accounts and Subscriptions, then choose Audible Membership. Click Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm. You'll receive an email confirmation and your Audible on Amazon settings page will show the updated status. That's it. Remember to like and subscribe.